Is your camera not working on your computer? I will show you a number of methods to fix your camera not working. Welcome to F1 Expat, my name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. Method 1. First thing to check for is to make sure there is nothing blocking the lens of your camera. Method 2. Close all your programs on your computer, then open only one program that uses your computer's camera and see if that works. Method 3. If you are using a camera with a USB cord, then unplug it and plug it back in again. Try plugging it into a different slot. Method 4. If you have a built-in camera on your computer, then try and restart the computer. Method 5. Select Start. Select Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Select App Permissions. Select Camera. Make sure that camera is switched on. Select Mobile App if you use your camera online, and make sure that it is switched on. If you use your webcam through an app like Chrome or another browser, you need to check and make sure that your camera is enabled in that browser's settings. Method 6. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Select Camera. Right-click on the camera in question. Select Uninstall this driver. Restart the computer. Method 7. This is similar to Method 6, except that we will be replacing the new driver manually rather than have Windows install it automatically. I have found that this has sometimes worked. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Select Camera. Right-click on the camera in question. Select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. You might see a message that the best driver for your device is already installed. If this is the case, then go to Method 8. Here we will download the drivers for your camera. Go directly to the manufacturer's website and download the driver. In this example, I am using Razer. Once you find the driver available, download the driver. To install the driver, right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Select Camera. Right-click on the camera in question. Select Update Driver. Select Browse for drivers on your computer. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select Have Disk. Select the driver from where you downloaded it onto your computer, press Next, and the drivers will be installed. Close out of the window and restart your computer. Your camera should be working now. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.